Now if you're leaking so bad that you cannot get your cab up, you can take the dust cap off and just replace that large diameter O-ring, and that should get you sealed up enough to lift the cab, and then you can replace this back wiper and the little O-ring in there a little easier with the cab up. And when you try to lift the cab, the oil just spews out of the end there. So we're going to replace the seals in it. And here we have an 1 3/4 socket. Oh, that was pretty easy. As you can see, that O-ring just split apart. It's very brittle. Just came apart in pieces. So washer. And then the seal here, which I'm sure is all dry and brittle. And we have this nice kit from Advanced Automotion that has all the new parts, as you can see. But first, before I take them out of this bag, I'm going to go ahead and clean up these parts. We know this O-ring goes here. So we have this little wiper. Get it the right way. Then I'm going to take this socket. Just a little bit on this side over here. There we go. That's in there. Perfect. Now the new O-ring and sweeper go into the latch housing. Give it a shot. We have some new seals. We have fluid in the reservoir. So we're going to go to cab raise, around the cab tilt. Let's see what happens. There's the pins coming out. No oil leaking, wow. First time I've had this cab up. Where the larger diameter section of the pin pushes through, there is also an O-ring. And we're gonna get that out with this nice little hook tool. It's right here. Almost had it that time. There we go. That O-ring. I'm gonna just take this spring right off from here and take the latch apart. I think I did it. A little sandpaper. I'm just going to use an old toothbrush and some brake clean. Go in through the piston hole, get this all cleaned up nice. Oh yeah, that looks sweet. Time for reassembly. Okay, the O-ring goes into this groove in that small bore. And I can almost get your finger through the back of it, so I'm just gonna try to tuck it in there. Okay, see, I just got it tucked in there crooked. And we'll get one side started. And then, I really like this tool. I'm gonna work it out. Back into the groove. Oh, let's see, come on. There we go. Most of it's in except for that one little spot right there. I can push that in with my finger maybe, let's see. Yep. Cool, that one's in. And it goes in with the larger diameter in that groove in there. Let's just set it in there with these needle nose pliers. Plus I'm trying to work around this light and camera. Get the bottom in. Try. And then work it around. Oh! Lost it down in there. Let's give that another try. that's starting in there now. Okay, that's just a pocket screwdriver. Let's see if I can get that in there. There it goes. It's in. Beautiful. Let's let's put the plunger in there. Lubricate the cylinder because this has to go through that O-ring. Let's see if it'll push in there now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow, and it's the air pressure in the hydraulic line. I can't even push it in. Spins good. See if I put this latch down. Oh, there we go. Push the latch down. That will allow the pin to go in to lock the latch. That's what you have to do. Allow the pin to go in there. Get the dust cap started. And then we'll just push that back out. There. And tighten the dust cap.